Yeah, welcome back to the channel, Trendsetters. I've got some good news. I'm going on another trip. The bad news is I can't take her with me. So I've got to go and explain. She's just sitting around the corner, so I'm trying to be quiet. I've got to go and try and explain to her that I'm going away for a week and she's not coming with me. Anyway, wish me luck. I'm going around to beg for forgiveness and try and explain myself. Wish me luck. Here she is. She's just sitting here. So, sorry baby, you're not coming with me this trip. You'll have to stay at home. No, she's giving me the silent treatment now. So I hope if I show her a bit of affection on Saturday when I get home, I will might get a ride out of her on Sunday. We'll see how I go. Wish me luck. We'll catch you in Bundaberg. See ya. Yeah, so we're in the air now. Just left Bundaberg Airport. So we're just climbing up to altitude here. And I find it really great flying over all this. It just looks so nice from the air. All the different shades of green and browns. Beautiful. So coming up here, the next clip is, I reckon that's Theodolite Creek, and then that's Woodgate along the front, and then I reckon this is Burrum River and Burrum Heads. So anyway, here we are in Brisbane, doing a lap of honour over the poor people down there that live on them canals. Look at these sandbanks down the bottom of the screen here at a second. I reckon at low tide you could fucking near walk over there to Moreton Island. Look at that, right at the bottom of the screen. Amazing. That's the little plane. And very busy. The only place I could find a little bit of peace to myself was in here. So righto, we've arrived in Cairns. I had a shit-house seat on the flight up, so there was no video and out any windows. I was in the bloody middle. Anyway, that's your luck. So yeah, we're just cruising up, try and find my way to Mareeba now. It's sort of late afternoon. Stuck the GoPro on the dash. Oh, so this is the bus trip. Heading out now to Tinaroo Falls Dam. So they're big in bananas. This is coffee. So yeah, like I said, bananas, coffee, avocados, mangoes, and citrusy stuff up there like limes and stuff like that, I think. Yeah, so very, very interesting. I don't know whether you can see it over on the hills, all the bloody wind turbines. Yeah, so 59 this dam was built and commissioned. So yeah, this is going into the dam now. So this is all the rest area and all that sort of stuff. The day use area. Very, very nice place. I reckon it'll get very busy in summer. So this is the dam itself. So we'll walk out there on the wall and I'll have a look at the spillway, and then we'll have a walk through the gallery. So it'd be unusual for it not to be green up here, I'd say, because they just get a lot of rain. So that's the channel outlet works, and this is the spillway here. I don't know if you can see it, there's a buoy line out there, and outside the buoy line there's a barra line. Oh, just near the old man's beard growing on that antenna. So we'll cruise down here and we'll go in through the gallery entry. Then we'll walk across inside the wall. So this is what they do for inspections. This is all dam safety stuff. Something this company takes very, very seriously. So yes, he wouldn't want to be claustrophobic. So this is walk through and we're on the other side now. Just have a bit of a look around and then we'll walk back through and we'll go down the stairs right down to actually underneath the spillway. So here we go. Anyway, I won't bore you with too much of this. There's not much to see. We'll just hammer through here and get out the other side, I suppose. I'll show you a bit of the spillway. We get down, we come out at the bottom of the spillway, so we'll have a look at that. Yeah, there it is. So I'll go inside the valve house here and hang out the window and get a shot of it here in a minute too. She's a pretty big girl when you're standing down the bottom of it. I don't know how high it is. I don't know any specs. You can Google that if you want to know. So that's the gallery exit where we just came out. So yeah, here's hanging out the window of the valve house. Something not everyone would ever see. So look out, we went up here for lunch. We all sat up here and had our chicken and ham wraps. So I've done a quick walk just up here to the camp. So there's all cabins and units and whatever up here, accommodation. All built on the slope of the hill here overlooking the dam. I reckon, like I said, it would be very popular. So yeah, a bit of history coming up here now. There's a chimney just there. It's not a good photo from the GoPro, but the Rats of Trebrook used to use this as a training ground. So back in 2018, the dam went down and all this stuff surfaced. There's the tea in the hearth there. Yeah, so the Rats of Trebrook, yeah, very good history. So if you want to research it, go on to Google and do a bit of Googling or something. Yeah, it was very interesting reading. Yeah, so on my way home I called in here to Barron Falls just because I had a bit of time to kill. So yeah, I've got about an hour to kill before I have to get to the airport for the plane. So yeah, just going to have a look at Barron Falls. It was only a couple of k's in here. Don't tell the boss that I took the hire car away. Anyway, we'll just have a look down here. Beautiful place. Mrs. Mantis eating Mr. Mantis's head off. It's in the shade over here, see what we can see. Oh, look at that. This is so cool, and it's free. Lucky I had a big coffee for energy. I think this goes down to the platform where the train stops. Don't quote me, I didn't read the signs. No, we're going back uphill now. I think I've stuffed up. think I took a wrong turn. But there's the falls over there still. Oh, heartbeat's up to 120 now. Whew. Oh, ripper a chair, but I haven't got time. I've got to keep hopping. Oh yeah, there's the train tracks. Oh, look at that. Very good. See what we can see from up here, and then I better get bloody jogging back. Hey mate. Oh, isn't this specky? Bloody hell. Goes over there. Okay, I had to come down to the railway platform. So if I'm late, it's all your fault, because I had to do this for you guys. Have a look down here. There's a walkway over there. I don't know whether you can see it, but I think when we done the cable car, you get access to that. I'm gonna have to come up and do this again. This was a nice spot to visit, but again, very touristy, eh? I suppose any beautiful place is. So since I just done my dam safety course, I'm guessing there's about 1,000 megalitres running over that wall. Yeah, 1,000. A bit of history here. These old pioneers, they were bloody legends, I reckon. Imagine building all this with a pickaxe and a shovel. Fucking hell. Look. It's a gift that just keeps giving. See you back at the car. Sammy the snake. I missed him on the way in. Lucky he wasn't savage. Yes, I lined up to get on the plane. Of course I was in the back seat again. But at least I got a window seat. So here we are, taking off. And this bloody pilot, as we got up here, he starts screwing her over. And like we're still climbing really heavily, or hard, I suppose. And then he turns her. So yeah, we can see back here, we'll see the Cairns airport here. I'll slow it down again. So yeah, there's the Cairns airport and the big hill behind the airport. So we'll just do a bit of a U-ey here and then head for Brizzy. So yeah, coming up here on the left, like down on the right hand corner, I mean, there's actually a nude beach. So I tried to zoom in, but nah, couldn't see nothing. So there's an island, some island. And even through these dirty old scratched windows, it looked pretty up here, eh? Like all these blues and dark blues, and yeah, very, very nice. It was good hanging my head over here looking down. So here's another hilly bit. I don't know, I think Townsville is down here somewhere. I was trying to guess where I was the whole time. But yeah. So here we are coming into land at Brisbane. So I just liked the little silhouette of the plane coming in, and looks like we're going to crash together down here at the bottom. But anyway, this is the end of the video. So had a great time, and thanks for coming along and joining me on this one. We'll try and do something soon, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.